I'm here today to give you a daily update on AVAX. As you can see here, guys, we've obviously seen a very nice, attractive uptrend since the start of AVAX coming through here. We are seeing most recent all-time highs actually get set. Obviously, we have seen very nice progression here, probably like 3 weeks ago now, unfortunately. But obviously, the last few weeks has been a bit of a rough time there for crypto. But overall, I want to say very good for AVAX here, not looking too bad. Let's do some fresh TA coming through here. In terms of trend lines, I would say we just got straight off the bat. That's definitely going to be one to be thinking about there. Is going to be literally this downward slope and resistance line coming through from here. And obviously we do have another one coming through again like so. And to be honest, this actually is looking quite nice. In terms of an uptrend, guys, we do obviously have the lovely levels of support to the lower side here. And also we have tested this with quite a bit of confidence as well, right? We've tested this most recently, obviously with this crash coming through for Bitcoin there. Or Bitcoin, yeah, obviously brought all the prices down. But yeah, we are still testing a massive level of support here. If we are going to find support here, there is definite room for growth, right? There's definitely room for growth to the upside. Not looking too bad at all. In terms of resistance here, these are going to be the resistance points to be looking out for there. In terms of when we are going to get to this level, still undecided yet, guys. But when we do get there, I would say there's probably definitely room for resistance to that point. And whether we go parabolic from this momentum to the upside here, then obviously we are going to see resistance from that zone as well. So yeah, overall, I would say fairly bullish for AVAX right now, but we have seen obviously insane progression running up recently, very, very parabolic indeed, and that's why we are seeing these correctionary phases coming through there. In terms of room for growth, I would say market cap 23.1 billion there. If we are going to be looking at really challenging some of the big dogs in the pond here, we're going to be looking at around probably Polkadot's, probably a Luna. Polkadot and Luna, they're very good targets, I would say, to be aiming for. They're around 26 to 28 billion dollar market cap there. So yeah, not too far away. If we see a nice spike up there for AVAX, rather than people investing in DOT and Luna, obviously on this crash, reinvesting on this crash there, if they put it into AVAX rather than DOT and Luna, then obviously we're going to see AVAX do very, very well indeed. So yeah, in terms of price targets there, it's going to be around 174 to the top side of this parallel channel. If we are going to break down here, guys, we need to weigh up all scenarios here. If we are going to break down and the whales are playing with us and we are going to see a big crash to the downside again, I would be looking at target price points of around $46.90 and 34 there. And to be honest, guys, we were only back there in September, right? It's really not, it's really quite far away considering, it's really not that far away considering how much we've grown in the last few months, right? So yeah, not too bad overall. In terms of percentages there, if this is going to be a shorting opportunity there, it's going to be around a 50% dump there. So yeah, quite ambitious. But that's why we're going to be staggering take profits all the way down, basically planning for any sort of reversal like we have seen here if you did get in short after you after we did lose this parallel channel, right? Yeah, overall, I would say not too bad for AVAX. Let's get rid of these for now. Let's jump down to the shorter term timeframes. The crucial stuff right now is basically holding this level of support and basically seeing progression to the upside from there, right? Look at the 4 hour. I mean, a lot of the 4 hour charts look the same. We are seeing a bit of a pullback from this most recent uptrend, which is absolutely fine. As I was saying, as long as we hold this level of support coming through there, which would be obviously very, very good. If we lose that, obviously it's going to be very, very bad, and we don't want that, of course. And obviously if we lose that, it's going to be very, very bad. But that's obviously going to instigate a potential breakdown scenario like we were just talking about. Ideally, here on the 4 hour, you want to get over all those major moving averages coming through here. And that's around the 200 coming through, the 200 EMA, and also the 55 moving average as well. If you can get over them, that's going to be acting as a lovely level of support. Then we can see a nice big run up there for AVAX. Please, please, please be aware there is going to be correctionary periods coming through as well as we are running up here, guys. So yeah, please be aware for that. Overall, I would say bullish on AVAX on the longer term time frame. Crucial point is holding up this level of support coming through there.